Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming backups. This is non-negotiable. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so your PC can communicate with the phone. Next, download the exact Samsung firmware for your model and Odin tool on the computer. Mismatched firmware will brick the device. Connect the phone via USB and verify connection in Device Manager. You're initiating a firmware rollback, so move deliberately, label files, and make sure battery is above 50% before continuing. You now boot the phone into download mode, press the model-specific key combo, and confirm the warning to allow flashing. On your PC, open Odin and load BL, App, CP, and CSC partitions. Choose Home CSC if you want to retain user data versus Full CSC, which wipes. Disable auto-reboot so you can finish checks. Click Start and watch Odin's log for a successful pass. If it stalls, don't unplug. Note the last log lines and let it time out before intervention. After Odin shows pass, you should boot into recovery and wipe the cache partition to prevent boot loops. This clean system caches without erasing data. If the phone is stuck on the Samsung logo, reflash using Full CSC to ensure system and carrier partitions match. Be aware this will factory reset the device. Finally, if problems persist, use Samsung Smart Switch for a repair install or contact authorized service. This sequence explains what to do and why. Follow steps in order to minimize risk.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.